dangerous species. By the way, sometimes we are walking time, we are very close with them, and at that times we need to do something ourselves. Like Chitwan National Park, park established in 1973. So in that times, the park area was 932 square kilometers, but now almost like 1,000 square kilometers. And there is famous for the wildlife, which is wild elephant, rhinoceros, tiger, and the sloth bear. They are the most important for in the national park. So we don't have the big population of the. Normally they can live in a hillside, but sometimes the male, like 2-3 of them, they used to come down in these places to try to find the female ones for mating. So by the way, if we are very close with the wild elements, like a wild elephant, we will do something ourselves. Like we are coming to see the wildlife. We are not coming to disturb for them. Yeah. So if we see the wild elephant, sometimes we need to go up and down places. Sometimes we need to walk through the dense forest because they are the happy. They can just run from there. It's just like a basic idea for the rhinos and the tigers. So tigers, they are the carnivores, always they will meat, But that's for the tiger.
Okay.
So in the sloth bear, the size is not bigger than them, but they have very aggressive behavior. And they are the best climber, mammals. They climb up to the tree. So we call them omnivores. So when we will see the sloth bear, we must have to stop there to make a loud sound, scare away. Sometimes we will use this kind of stick for sloth bear. Yeah. So this is for the basic idea, how we set from there. Only all those elephants are disappeared from the land. This time only 2 different species, Asian and the African. So the Africans quite bigger than the Asian elephant. Yeah, October 9. I think I will read this one.